Want to change your Twitter account theme to any other color from the default? Open your Twitter account now. Click on More option. After that, tap on Settings and Support. From there, choose Display. You will see a list of colors. Now choose the one you like. You can customize the font size as well. Dim and light out is also there, which can enhance your account perfectly. Tap on Done after choosing your preferences, and you will see your Twitter account theme has been changed completely. Remember, this feature is only available for Twitter desktop. It will not applicable for app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.